In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily resize images in GIMP. Whether you're preparing photos for the web, social media, or a specific project, knowing how to resize them properly will save you time and keep your images looking sharp. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open GIMP on your computer. Once it's open, go to the top left corner and click on File, then choose Open. A file browser window will appear. Navigate to the image you want to resize, click on it, and then click Open. Your image should now appear in the main GIMP workspace. With the image open, we'll use GIMP's built-in scaling feature. At the top menu bar, click on Image, and then select Scale Image. This will open a new Scale Image dialog box, where you can change the dimensions of your picture. You'll see fields for width and height, along with the current size of your image. Before you type in any new values, look for a small chain or link icon between the width and height boxes. When this chain is linked, it means the aspect ratio is locked, so your image won't get stretched or squashed. It's usually a good idea to keep this linked so your image maintains its original proportions. If it's unlinked, just click it once to link it. Now, decide whether you want to change the width, the height, or both. Often, you'll start by entering a new width, and the height will automatically adjust if the chain is linked. Type in the new size you want. You can also change the unit of measurement, for example from pixels to percent, depending on what's easier for you. Below the size fields, you'll see options for resolution and an interpolation method. For most basic resizing tasks, you can leave the resolution as it is. For interpolation, choosing something like cubic or low halo will usually give you smoother, better-looking results, especially when reducing image size. Once you're happy with the new dimensions, click the Scale button. GIMP will process the image and resize it. Take a moment to zoom in and out using the zoom controls or your mouse wheel to make sure the image still looks good at the new size. Finally, you need to save your resized image. If you want to keep the original file unchanged, go to File, then Export As. Give your resized image a new name. Choose the format you prefer, and click Export. Adjust any format options if needed, then confirm. And that's all there is to it. You've just resized an image in GIMP quickly and efficiently.